Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about text to video or the best text to video AI generators. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So today, we'll be introducing 5 amazing AI-powered text to video generators that will revolutionize your content creation game. So we have Lucas, Pictory, Video, Lumen 5, and InVideo. So these tools will help you transform your written ideas into stunning visual masterpieces. So first up, we have here is Lucas. This AI text-to-video generator comes with an array of customization options. You can easily input your text, choose from various templates, and watch your content come to life. Lucas user-friendly. Lucas user-friendly interface makes it ideal for both beginners and seasoned creators. So let's try Lucas today and take your videos to the next level. So as you can see in here, this is the Lucas dashboard. So they have a welcome screen in here. So they say that you could simply share your ideas in the chat box and they'll bring them to life. So let's try that one out. So let's say prompt a video about dogs. So let's send it and wait for AI to generate. So they were able to produce The Dogs Are Loyal Companions is the title and a heartwarming video showcasing the special bond between humans and dogs. You'll just need to click on generate video and wait for them to create the video scenes. Once it is done, you'll receive a lot of options, so make sure to choose the one that you like the most. So let's do a quick preview on what Lucas generated. So once the video is generated, there are actually two options. One is to edit the video and save the video watermark free. So here you can try to edit the video, the color palette of it, the narrator, the emotion, the music, and also the scenes. Once it's done, just click update video. And right after that, click save video and your video is on its way. Now let's talk about Pictory, my personal favorite on this list. So Pictory seamlessly integrates AI and advanced video editing capabilities, making it a standout tool. It understands the context of your text, from emotions to tone, and automatically selects the perfect visual elements. With a vast collection of templates to choose from, you can effortlessly create videos that truly resonate with your audience. So check out Pictory and elevate your storytelling. So right after that, just click script to video and then type in your video name and type in the script. Right after, just click on proceed and then you'd be able to choose a template. So just scroll down and choose a template that you like to use for your video editing. So Pictory offers a lot of template in here. So I think we're gonna be choosing this one and choose an aspect ratio. So then wait for your video to be generated. So you'll be welcomed by the different tools Pictory has to offer. So as you can see in here, we have here the video that has been generated, as well as you can see the story, visuals, elements, audio, text, styles, and branding. Also, you could try to add in a new audio for this, so you could choose from a lot of options. And you can try to change the format as well of your video. You can also try to add an AI voiceover for this one. So you're just gonna click onto this one. So apply AI voiceover. So there are a lot of voices to choose from. Just click on apply. Now let's try to do a quick preview onto the video that was generated. So as you can see on the video, there is still some watermarks in there, but those will not be present in the final video. So now let's try to download the video. Up next, we have Video. So if you're looking for a tool with a massive library of stock footage, images, and audio tracks, Video is the one for you. Its drag and drop interface makes video creation a breeze. You'll have captivating videos ready to share in no time. So give Video a try and see your content shine. So just click on create a video and you'll be able to see a lot of options to choose from. So for this video, we'll try to choose from text. You'll just need to click onto that and add in a title. Also paste your script in there. So once it is done, you'd be able to see below that there are stock assets in your video. So you could choose if all stock assets are preferably free, and you could choose the audio mode. So next up, you'll be able to choose a format and style for your video. So you have horizontal, square, vertical, or story. So let's choose square, and then let's choose a template in here. So we're gonna be choosing this one. So just create a video. Next up, you'll see the editing page. wherein you'd be able to see the different tool options. So you have here the resize, templates, stocks and flow, edit layouts, text, and also you have scroll down in here, the overlays and stickers, watermarks, audio captions, storyboards, and enhancer. Here below we'll see the tracks, and here on the side we'll see the storyboard, and we can also try to edit the text inside the video. We have text styles and text effects. You can also change the font color for this. Now let's do a quick preview on what InVideo has generated. Then once it is done, just head over in the upper part of the screen and just click on to publish. You'll see a lot of publish option. We're just gonna choose video. Now let's talk about Lumen 5, a powerful video creation platform that utilizes AI to transform your text into engaging videos. Whether you're a blogger or content marketer, Lumen 5 helps you repurpose your written content into captivating videos effortlessly. It's a time-saving gem that's worth exploring. Now, to start, just click on New Video, and then you'll be asked to choose a template in here. So you have rectangular, lines rounded, gradients, organic, angular, and assorted. So choose the one that you prefer the most. So for us, let's choose this one. Now choose a format and then use this template. Now it's time to paste your script in here, or you can write it in here and then continue with AI. Now you'll be given an overview onto the script that they have generated. So just click on convert to video. Then you'll be redirected to the editing page where you can see in the media, icons, the music, the styles, the format, and the source of the video. You can also see in here the library wherein they have all the video. You could record a voiceover, and then let's do a quick preview. Now, right after that, just click on publish. Last but not the least, we have InVideo, a versatile AI video generator offering a plethora of customizable templates. With InVideo, you can add animations, stickers, and transitions to create visually appealing and unique videos. So it's perfect for those who love experimenting with different styles. So once you're in the dashboard, just click on AI text to video. Then you'll be redirected to a page wherein you can choose a lot of templates. Now choose a format, then right after just click on use the template. Right after that, you'll just need to write in your script and then create scenes. Then you'll be redirected to the editing page. So just go quickly over the tools in here, and then we'll do a quick preview. Now just click on share, and if you want to export it, you'll need to upgrade to a higher plan. And there you have it, 5 fantastic text-to-video AI generators that will take your content creation to new heights. Whether you choose Lucas, Pictory, WaveVideo, Lumen 5, or InVideo, you're bound to create eye-catching videos that capture your audience attention. So don't forget to check out the links in the description to explore this tool further and find the perfect fit for your needs. So get ready to impress your audience with captivating videos in no time. And if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in and happy video creation.